Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is one of the most important steps in learning English to think in English. So, my name is Rajan Kumar and today I want to tell l- you about my journey, how I trained my brain, you know. So, first of all, it wasn't easy at first, but slowly I began to understand. So what you have to do and why think in English very important. So it is one of the most important question. So when you will think in English, you reply fast, and y- and when you will not think in English, you cannot reply the same time. The moment will go on. So try to think in English and if you are seeing tree, so you know don't say it your mother tongue, you say tree. So try to think in English. So what mean think in English? Like you are seeing many things, so you can describe in your mind in English, instead your mother tongue. So try to think in English, it is better for you and it's better for everyone, because yeah, I'm also trying to think in English, and when you will try to think in English, it will better for you and it will very easy, and it's easy for everyone. You know that when I started, it was very difficult, and now I can speak a little bit because of my practice and because of my uh, spend time with English. So try to think in English and try to read short storybook with picture. It will be easy to understand, no matter if you are a beginner and if you are a fluent speaker, and if you are a advanced speaker. So try to read book every day, and step by step you will also begin to understand. And I'm speaking front of camera, as you can see. I'm not sure smart enough in this language, but yeah, I can easily say, and I can make a great conversation with anyone, and I can speak with anyone, and I can speak front of anyone. So yeah, as you can see, I'm here in this garden, and yeah, I can call it garden as well, because there are many coconut tree, as you can see behind me. And yeah, the sun is going to set, and it's evening time, as you can see. So yeah, actually I'm from UP, but at present I'm living in Tamil Nadu. So yeah, so if your question is that what do you do in Tamil Nadu, so simply I work here